Hello friends, this video is dedicated to our nation. In this video, we are going to see about the balancing of chemical equations. Hello friends, this is S.H. Shreya. In this video, we are going to see about the balancing of chemical reactions using algebraic method. So friends, let us see how to balance using this method. So hi friends, we are going to see about the different steps in balancing of chemical reactions using the algebraic method. First one is molar coefficients. So we are going to write the molar coefficients as A, B, C, D, etc. List of all elements in the chemical equation. Third one is atomicity of elements as equations. Fourth one, solving by linear equation. So as we do in maths, we are going to solve the reactions with linear equation. Replace the values of A, B, C, etc. in the given equation. So after finding the values of the molar coefficients A, B, C, etc., we are going to replace it with its value. The last one is make it as a stoichiometric equation. So stoichiometric equation means finally we will get a full balanced equation. So friends, now we are going to see the equation Zn plus HNO3 gives ZnNO3 twice plus H2O plus NO2. So it is an unbalanced equation. So zinc is, Zn is zinc, HNO3 is, we are using, note that we are using concentrated HNO3, okay. So HNO3 is nitric acid, ZnNO3 twice is zinc nitrate, H2O is water, NO2 is nitrogen dioxide. So it is a reaction of zinc with concentrated nitric acid. So now let us balance. So keeping Zn and HNO3B, ZnNO3 twice C, H2O D and NO2 E. So these are the molar coefficients. So A is equal to C as both have atomicity only 1, right? B is equal to 2D. Nitrogen B is equal to 2C plus E because reactant side only 1 nitrogen, product side it is 2C plus E, right? And oxygen it is 3B, that is equal to 6C, right? 6C plus D plus 2E. So we got 4 equations. So we are substituting, we should see always the relevant, right? So we can substitute B is equal to 2C plus E in equation 4. That will become very easy, right? So we get 3 into 2C plus E is equal to 6C plus D plus 2E. So 6C plus 3E is equal to 6C plus D plus 2E. So we get E is equal to D. So we can substitute B is equal to 2D, the second equation, and E is equal to D, which we got now in the equation 3. So 2D is equal to 2C plus D as E is equal to D. So we can write 2D is equal to 2C plus D. So we get D is equal to 2C. Okay, D is equal to 2C. Similarly, B is equal to 2D. Okay, B is equal to 2D we have in second equation. So D is equal to 2C. So in the place of D we can substitute 2C. So B is equal to 2 into 2C, which is equal to 4C. So Zn plus 4HNO3 gives ZnNO3 twice plus 2H2O plus 2NO2. So we have arrived at the balanced chemical equation. Note we are using concentrated HNO3. So friends, now we can arrive at final equation. Zn plus 4HNO3 concentrated gives ZnNO3 twice plus 2H2O plus 2NO2. So Zn as we compare the reactant and product side, both are 1, and hydrogen both are 4, and nitrogen here in the product side 4, and in the reactant side it is 4, and in the product side is 2 plus 2, so that is also equal to 4. And oxygen in the reactant side it is 12, and in the product side is 6 plus 2 plus 4, which is also 12. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we have obtained a correct balanced equation. So thank you friends. I hope that you have understood the concept. So try more equations for better understanding. Thank you.